Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today, I discuss the third chapter, customizing window 7 for class 4. This is the topic name, chapter name. Customizing Windows 7, Chapter 3, Class 4. First part of the video. Today, this chapter related to topic introduction part. My dear student, I again request to every student, every parents must watch the video because this is a very good opportunity कि every teacher they provided to video classes or online classes. So please, time is the more valuable. It is not wasted because it is wasted the time. They have to the not repeat again. So every student please must watch the video because this video, all videos sent to the YouTube. Every teacher sent to the video YouTube and every student watch the video, support 20-minute video. You are to the not possible, you watch to the 20-minute video, but you video with the 5 minutes, after break 5 minutes, then after what to the 5 minutes, then after break 5 minutes. They have to the easy way to the study process. So let's see start. Customizing window 7. My dear students, first of all, what is the window? What is the window? What is the Windows 7? Sorry, what is the Windows 7? In July 2007, Microsoft announced it was developing a new operating system. In 2007, Microsoft announced it was developing new operating system that would become Windows 7. Windows 7 2007 Microsoft announced it was developing new operating system that would become Windows 7. The company revealed the name Windows 7 in October 2008. The company revealed the name Windows 7 in October 2008. Microsoft released Windows 7 to manufacturing in July 2009. Again I repeat, Microsoft released Windows 7 to manufacturing in July 2009. Microsoft manufacturing Windows 7 in July 2009. This is the history of the Windows 7 because this is the introduction part, and made data that generally available in October 22, 2009, and the Windows 7 generally available in October 22, 2009. This is the Windows 7 history. My dear student, Windows 7 the following hardware requirement. Windows 7 the following hardware requirement. I again every such type of point discuss in the Windows 7. This is the interesting chapter. Windows 7 July 2007 Microsoft announced it was developing new operating system. The company revealed the name Windows 7 in October 2008. Microsoft manufacturing Windows 7 July 2009 but generally available in October 22, 2009. This is the history of the Windows 7. Windows 7 the following hardware requirement. My dear student, this is the out of the syllabus. This is not covered in this chapter, but I discussed the Windows 7, so they have to the some external part in this topic, not to the external part. 1GHz processor. 1GHz processor means 32 or 64 bit. 32 or 64 bit and 1 GB of RAM. 1 GB of RAM means 32 bit. 1 GB of RAM means 32 bit. My third point, 2 GB of RAM. 2 GB of RAM means 64 bit. 2 GB of RAM means 64 bit. This is not to the cover in this topic, but I discussed to the Windows 7. So Windows 7 the following hardware requirement. There are so many such type of, but I discussed the three point. You are not focus, but sometime focus. Again, Windows 7 is a graphical user interface. My dear student, Windows 7 is a GUI. What is the full form of GUI? Graphical user interface. I hope this is the introduction part of the Windows 7. First of all, I discuss what is the graphical user interface. My dear student, graphical user interface GUI. What is the GUI? Graphical GUI stands for graphical user interface. Anybody asks you a question, what is the GUI? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल every student asks that GUI stand for graphical user interface. This type of operating system provide graphical interface. This type of operating system, I write down, this type of operating system provide graphical interface, graphical interface to the user, graphical interface to the user to work friendly, to work on it easily, to work on it easily. This type of operating system provide graphical user provide graphical interface to the user to work on it easily. This type of operating system is given friendly environment. Again, this type of operating system user friendly environment. I hope every student clear in every such type of point. Anybody ask that what is the graphical user interface? So first of all, the graphical user interface is the relation between the graphical interface and the user interface. That's all. And the graphical user interface is mainly friendly environment. Again, a graphical user interface is a system of interactive visual component for computer software. I again repeat, graphical user interface is a system of interactive visual component. Graphical user interface, in other word, a graphical user interface provide to the interactive visual component. Provide to the interactive visual component of the computer system. The graphical user interface display objects that convey informations and represent action that can be taken by the user. The graphical user interface, the object change color, size or visibility when the interact with them. This is the graphical user interface. My dear student, I have already discussed Windows 7 and the graphical user interface. Thank you so much.